Hi. As I am a CAE engineer specializing in injection molding analysis, performing CAE analyses on over 10 sets of molds every month has become a routine part of my life. Over many years, I have extensive experience through CAE analysis and design of numerous molds. However, effectively managing and finding these projects has always been a challenge for me, much like being lost in a project maze. I recently saw an intriguing interesting post on Facebook. Moldex 3D has launched iSLM Personal Mode, designed specifically for CAE engineers to address project management challenges. I think this tool is perfect for me, as it can help run my project more efficiently. Shortly after installing Moldex 3D iSLM Personal Mode on my own computer, I discovered an excellent feature. It can automatically synchronize projects from specified folders. The projects within the folder are automatically imported into the system, making it incredibly convenient. Moreover, I can also see a list of all projects with a photo in front of each project, allowing me to quickly identify and understand the content and features of each project. It's really exciting. I can also directly observe the flow and deformation of molds in the system, just as emphasized in the advertisement. Being able to directly see the crucial simulation results, my work has become much more convenient. There's no need for cumbersome conversion steps, and I can directly monitor the mold status. In the past, I often couldn't find the correct project path, but now, with Moldex 3D iSLM Personal Mode, this issue is easily resolved. Now, just a click of the Start button, the system can open projects through Studio. And I no longer have to worry about not finding project paths. I was surprised to find that it also has a rating mechanism. In the past, I used to evaluate the quality of each analysis result in my mind. But now, I can systematically record and rate the results of each analysis, making my work more organized and reliable. Today, during the company's new external cover design development meeting, I used Moldex 3D iSLM Personal Mode to easily find similar analysis projects and reports from the past, along with providing comprehensive data analysis. In the middle of the meeting, the manager once again brought up the issue of statistical analysis of variables between multiple sets of molds. In the past, due to difficulties in data collection, we couldn't perform this analysis. So, I mentioned to everyone that Moldex 3D iSLM Personal Mode has a dashboard feature. It provides statistical analysis tools to help address the challenges we faced in the past. Everyone was excited and looking forward to it, and we can't wait to see the reports of these statistical analysis results. With Moldex 3D iSLM Personal Mode, I feel more confident and have gained recognition, which has earned me an opportunity to showcase my work. Try iSLM, the next generation data management platform for plastic engineering.